it's Nita and I'm back today with a hair video. So this is a custom wig that I made myself, and I want to show you guys how I achieved my favorite waves. This hair is naturally straight, and I wanted to just put some waves in it because I knew I wanted to be real cute the next day. I think this was, no, it wasn't for my birthday, I take that back. But anyway, I just wanted to be really cute at work the next day, and I like to prep my wigs at night. So I don't have to get up in the morning and, you know, curl and all of that. I just like to get up and put my wigs on. So if I'm a curl it or whatever, I do it at night. So I'm using a 1-inch barrel here, and I'm just wrapping the hair around similar to how you would do for a wand. I'm just using the curling iron that way. Again, it's just a 1-inch barrel, and I'm just wrapping it around, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results, and then how I keep the curls and make them tight for the next day. Now, because this hair is naturally straight, you guys, just a tip, if you know that you want to wear your hair curled more often, I always recommend to get a body wave or a loose wave or some curly hair, because straight hair always wants to be straight, so straight hair typically doesn't hold a curl really well. So because I did this at night, I went ahead and used my flexi rods just to kind of lock in their curl a little bit, so that my curls can last long, and yeah, it just kind of helps to reinforce the curl. If the hair was naturally a body wave or a loose wave texture, I wouldn't have did this, but again, because it's straight hair and this is raw hair, so it's kind of heavy, I did go ahead and use the wand curls just to lock the waves in. Also, you see me using 2 different sizes, and that's only because I didn't have enough of one size. So I used the 1-inch, which is the purple flexi rods at the top, and then I had a couple of the 1 1/4 inch, which are the green ones that I had, and I just used those at the bottom. No rhyme or reason to it. Like I said, I just didn't have enough of the 1-inch, so I used both. Alright, so it's the next day, and I did speed through this process of me taking the flexi rods out, but I did just pop the wig on my head. It is not glued or anything like that. This is a lace closure unit, and I like them because they're super easy. You literally just put it on and go. But these are the final results of the overnight flexi rods, wand, curl, whatever you want to call it. I hope this helped you guys who have issues with curling your hair. This is very, very simple and easy, and this usually lasts for at least a week or so. Like, these waves last forever. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.